Hello and welcome in the second part of the iPhone 8 screen and battery replacement. Guys, so in today's episode, let's go more down as well. So I'll be explaining you how I'm doing it and you'll see what the problems I can have on the way. I removed 3 screws here from the old screen, and these were the TriStar ones, like not 4 but 3 stars. So this is the last one, which was on the home button. Okay, and now we can get this button off, but here is a ribbon cable, you see, which we need to remove. And now we can try to get it out. Come on. Doesn't want to go. You just need to be careful when you're lifting it up. You don't want to damage anything. Once you damage it, you might never get it working. And you can buy it for a few quid, but it won't be a fingerprint anymore. So that's why you need to be really, really careful. Okay, so this one is loose. It's okay. Okay, this is loose. Great. Okay, this is disturbing. Gluing to my fingers, and it's annoying when it's doing so. Okay, so yes, so here is everything. Should be okay. Going off. No damage. Brilliant. Goes off, and now this should go through. Went through. Okay, so once you'll do it, you can put it aside somewhere, and you can do the opposite way right now. So you need to put it through this. we get a screen protector. Okay, and come on, don't be cheeky, get no time to waste. Okay, we can glue it back so it's stable, and we can try to get everything apart from this connector, which was on the display. Yes, has to go up. Need to hold it, then put the rest of the ribbon cable down, align it the way it was. You've got small pin here which you need to go through. Press it gently. Now this screw here, the space, have this holder for the metal, like a washer. And now once it's in place, you can put the screen's connector on, and now try to close it. And now clicked. If it clicked, brilliant. I've heard 2 clicks, so that's mean I'm happy. Now we need to put this one on and try to screw all the 4 screws. If we will miss any, I'm starting in the same direction as I was originally, so I'm starting from the home button. Okay, if you won't do the screw on the home button, believe me, customer will come back and you will be redoing your job. Which is not nice. Okay, once this one is done, I can continue with those 3 screws, which are the remaining of this setup. Okay, I'll grab one, the most far, and now I'll pause and I'll come back after I've done it. Okay, as for the camera, I prefer to unscrew it from here and get it out because there's only one connector here, and then then put this one all together, and then when you clip it, it's back on and it's no problem. Yes, all you need to do is test it before gluing everything. That's you. But let me open it. Okay, so there were 3 screws. There was one above, but you don't touch this one. And then you've got here a ribbon cable which you just need to lift up, you see. And now this way you can put your phone back again on the side and mount this one freely without like thinking, oh, will I manage to do it or so on. It's more painful. Yes, that's why it's easier to mount it on this way and then just connect it to that one. But before you'll do it, so mount this and we will put the sealant, okay? Because the sealant, some of them are coming in 4 pieces. That means sides, each side is separated, and some of these sealants are coming like not in 4 pieces. I've seen those. Hopefully I've ordered those with 4 pieces because that's less annoying than the whole piece for all of it, which is a pain to be true. So I'll put this one on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've got everything attached, yes, properly, everything covered properly. Now for those who don't know, you've got first those cables, then you've got this section here, and then on top of that camera goes, yes, this bit, and then it's a metal covering everything. Yes, so that's cable, this bit here, and then so speaker, yes, that's a speaker. And now we're ready to do the final test, yes, because we've seen that display is working. So I'll hook up. I've prepared as well the sealant, so we can put sealant on the side. We don't need a mess here. Yes, I'll do the test, and if I'll be 100% sure then everything is okay, then I can move on and we can attach it properly. So that means first I'll put the sealant on, and then we can slide it, finish the job, and fingers crossed, fingers crossed, nothing will be wrong, yes, and customer will be happy today. Be right back after the test. Okay guys, so this time I had no issues. I was able to get this working, as you see. I did manage to even check for the Wi-Fi. I was able to go and password, blah 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 blah, and it all works fine. So we can put this thingy, because it's in four parts, it's not a problem to apply it. So I won't be recording anymore this video, it's no point. You've got brake line here and here. I will just switch it off because I won't be disconnecting it. Okay, see, touch works fine. So guys, that's it. That's everything in this video. I know it wasn't the quickest, but at least you see my steps how I'm doing it, and if I have any struggle on the way, I can tell you that. So then this way, you'll be fine. Only what I did not mount is this and this, but because I've checked speaker on the voiceover, I know that speaker I've connected right. Okay, so if the speaker is connected right, guess what? Camera has to be connected automatically as well. That's the only way you can test it out. Because I've seen Wi-Fi, because I see the digitizer is fine and display is fine, so I'm happy to finish off. So these two I need to put, yes. Now you might be wondering, where are these? Okay, one is for the speaker connector at the top, and this one is for the battery and the screen digitizer connector. Okay, and there is one sticker which is still to be unsticked, and cable goes on, connected by glue to the back of the LCD. Okay, so keep in mind, don't forget, unstick this insulation and then glue it so that it's firmly connected. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you see any value out of it. That's us. if possible, let's fix them all. Yes. So guys, thank you, and thank you to those who liked or subscribed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.